Health Services Health Talks. I'm Dr. Joshua Dirito, a family physician. I have interest in public health and cancer prevention and treatment. Are you feeling overwhelmed or exhausted or detached from what you are doing? Let us help you regain your control. In this video, we are going to talk about burnout and how to identify it. We are going to look at what is burnout, why it happens, and how to prevent or manage it. So what is burnout? Burnout is a state of chronic physical and emotional exhaustion. It often results from prolonged work or personal stress. It is usually characterized by feeling detached from what you are doing, and it leads to reduced professional efficiency. So globally, the World Health Organization recognizes burnout as an occupational phenomenon. Recent surveys have shown that over half of the employees in high-stress jobs have burnout symptoms. So it is more common than you might think. So what are some of the symptoms that will indicate that you have burnout? One, there is persistent fatigue and lack of energy. There is irritability and mood swings. There is decreased satisfaction or a sense of loss of accomplishment. There is a feeling of detachment or feeling depersonalized about the work or even personal responsibilities. You may have a lack of sleep. You may have interest with what you used to like doing, and even you can have a lack of motivation in your work, leading to absenteeism or feeling yourself late at your workplace. So what causes burnout? So some of the triggers for burnout includes excessive workload and long hours of work, lack of control or unclear job expectations, poor work-life balance, and high-pressure environments or ongoing stressors at the workplace. You may also have personal and social issues leading to burnout, including perfectionism. Those people who believe that things have to be done to the letter. Then there is also fear of failure, lack of social support network. If you don't have time for other activities, you have so much preoccupation with your work, this can lead to loss of concentration and can lead to burnout. Then financial stress, very common in our lives. If you are struggling with your finances, family and relationship issues can also lead to burnout in general. So how do you tackle burnout? One, it is important that you acknowledge and accept that you are experiencing burnout. Yeah, this if you have the symptoms that we have talked about, then accepting that there is something that is unusual in you, that is the first step. Then seeking professional help is needed. For example, therapy or counseling. It is also important that you have relaxation activities that you engage in. We have talked in the previous videos about relaxation activities like mindfulness, meditations, engaging in yoga, exercises, various types, and then ensure there is adequate rest. I've talked about the importance of sleep, where we encourage at least adults to have 7 to 9 hours of nighttime sleep. Then it is important to be well hydrated and also adequate nutrition. This will help you to keep you healthy and avoid burnout. So how can you prevent burnout? One is set health boundaries. So learn to say no to what is not with your domain, and what you can delegate, kindly do so gladly. Then Practice time management and prioritization. We have talked about this in one of the previous videos. Please, you can check on it on management of time. Then fostering a supportive relationship at the workplace and at home, which can be a leaning point when you feel overwhelmed. Also developing hobbies that you enjoy, so that when you are not at work, you have things that you enjoy doing, and also they can make you relax. Remember that they say laughter is the best medicine, and it has been shown scientifically, people who laugh more, they are able to overcome work stress. They are also able to overcome diseases. And there has been some scenarios where some individuals are engaged in having fun, something they enjoyed, something that made them laugh, and they came out of their diseases. There is something that has been documented in one of the books by Zig Ziglar, by someone called Dr. Casey. There was someone who was sick, and he just developed some clips which he would laugh for several hours, and within a given time period, he was able to overcome his illness. So laughter is one of the best medicine that you can give yourself. Then regularly disconnect from digital devices. We have talked about the challenges of the digital devices and what they can do to your life. They can affect your sleep, they can affect your concentration, and also spending too much time also on the digital devices can also lead you to burnout. So how can we fight burnout? One, there is importance of employees and the employers having employee assistance programs, so that they can be able to have an avenue to air their concerns and their feelings, and also somewhere to lean on when they feel overwhelmed. Having support groups and online communities whom you can share with, so that when you're overwhelmed, you have someone to lean to. Then also going to mental health professionals like therapists or counselors. Then there are also self-help books and the websites which you can look at. You have some of the WHO websites, some motivational books which can help you to overcome burnout. So let's recognize the signs and the symptoms of burnout and stay proactive. Share this information with your colleagues and loved ones, so that we build a balanced life free from burnout and will be more efficient in our work. If you like this video, please share. Please remember to subscribe, share it within your circles, and also share your experiences at the workplace of some of the things that have led to burnout and how you are able to overcome it. Thank you for watching.